Oh, that's good. We are at Hoi An Chicken in Hoi An. This is one of the local finds that we just found, so let's try. Wow. Got the shredded chicken, fried chicken, and looks so good. Look at that. Looks so golden. Wow. I won't go too crazy. Because, you know, I'm digging in, guys. Look at that. It looks so. I've got some shredded chicken, must be some papaya, Vietnamese coriander, and I just threw on some chili jam.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mix it up a bit.
Nice.
Banging.
All right, what's here?
Oh, glistening with chili jam. Good.
Oh, that chili jam. Look at my spoon. Fragrant. Very nice. This vlog is going to taste way better. Let me see. Wow. Yeah, there you go.
Good day.
It's got a bit of a tang now.
Yeah.
What
like
is
a
it?
lemon tang.
Yeah, lemony.